Rob wants his respect. Coach Vogel wants his respect. Our organization wants their respect. Laker Nation wants their respect. And I want my damn respect too.
You people were saying that I couldn't win in the West. So I flew out to the West and showed them all why I'm the best. Eliminated competition so easy, they claiming it's scripted. Can no longer see any haters, it's blinding how this trophy glistens. I didn't just do this for me, I did it for Gigi and Bean. Called up my homie AD and said, I'ma get you a ring. You were the toughest defender and I should've been MVP. They robbed us and gave it to Giannis, but he couldn't handle the heat. But they saw how we extinguished them. We cooked them like nuggets, we eatin', bruh. Shout out to Dame, request a few trades. We blazed the whole squad without heating up. As for the Rockets, them boys are tough, but you little boys ain't tall enough. I keep it true like I'm Pimp, a franchise full of shrimp. Almost thought this was Bubba Gump. I've been thriving through this pressure religiously since a young teen. Almost 2 decades of playing and they still be questioning me. Remember I said not 1, not 2, man, not even 3. I wasn't talking about the Heat, I was just talking about me. King.